video with my 2007 GT500. You guys saw last, I made a post on here a little while ago, went ahead and put on some nice exhaust tips. We got the stock mufflers rocking right now, when the courses are getting repaired. And not repaired, they're getting sent a new one, ordered a new one. But honestly, I might stick around with the stock ones. It sounds pretty good, and you can hear me talking. So let me know what you guys think down below. Anyways, plan for today, we're gonna go ahead and head over to a car show. And I think it should be a good time. Kind of see what's in the area, and just kind of enjoy the day. As far as the exhaust tips are concerned, looking real nice. Not quite as angled as the courses, but this is a nice little Amazon piece, and kind of rounds out everything. It looks pretty nice. I'm happy with it. May have stuck them out just a hair too far, but I think it's just about right. You can see them, but they're not like too obnoxious, hopefully. So let's hop in the car and head over. So I've actually been daily driving the car for about a week now, a week or two, and just kind of had time. Not really doing too much driving right now, and it's been fun. So I will say, stock exhaust, I think this might be the adult in me, I don't know, but it's definitely quieted things down as it's supposed to, and it's actually made the car quite a bit more enjoyable to drive as far as just kind of going around town, in and out. And I don't think I'd like it if it wasn't cammed. It sounds pretty good. You guys just heard it with the cams, but I think if it was stock, I probably would not be a fan. But driving around, it's been pretty nice. I did also want to give you guys an update on the intercooler stuff. So as it sits, we had a couple of 100-degree days and really high 90s, and the intercooler situation, cruising under throttle, because it varies quite a bit. If you close throttle all the way, if you put off gas, things shoot up to like 130, 140 pretty quickly. However, under part throttle and just cruising on the highway, usually keeps it around the 120s, 120 to 125 temperature range, which, I mean, I really can't ask much more than that. I'm pretty happy with that. So it looks like our intercooler mods are paying off in terms of keeping everything cool and happy, and yeah, pretty stoked actually. The next thing though, we got to go ahead and do some testing at the drag strip one of these days with some ice, and that should be where it really pays off. But in the meantime, just kind of cruising around and whatnot. Not bad. Saw the last video where we got on a little bit, and the intercooler was able to keep up pretty well. I have the 2.6 pulley on it right now, and yeah, went around, a couple different roads, doing quite a few watt hits. Nothing too crazy, but just little pulls here and there, and it kept everything in check, which was kind of the point of this whole thing. I think the only thing is, if you guys at home are looking to do a similar mod, honestly, I'd probably skip the ice tank. I think the only thing I could do to make the system a little bit better would be to go to slightly bigger heat exchanger, maybe the super single or something, or the VMP one with the 1-inch lines. But for right now, I'm pretty happy with it. I'm happy with the temperatures, and knowing that I'll be running ice, it's good enough for me. It's good enough for street use, so the AFCO is working out. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. I would say though, if you wind up skipping the ice tank and all that route, just go to the slightly bigger heat exchanger, the 1-inch lines, the GT500 brick mod, or the VMP route, and the apparently there's a couple different pumps out there. I thought the one that Department of Boost used was the CWA400. Turns out they used something called the C-Max pump, which is off a Ford C-Max something or other intercooler or cooling pump, and it's basically the same pump but a little bit different. It has a little bit different layout, and the wiring specifically is just a 2-prong on-off. It's nothing like what I'm dealing with the 4-wire deal. So probably could have gone that route, but it is what it is. So anyway, like I said, today we're going to a car show, just kind of enjoying life a little bit. And yeah, these videos don't usually do super great, but if you stick around, we should be going over kind of just showing off what the cars there. And we'll clean up the Shelby, get it all spiffed up, and see what happens. Should be a good time. Well, went ahead and made it here. Strictly for Autism over in Stafford, Virginia. Pretty sweet looking show so far. So we got a number of events going on today throughout the day. And I'm just going to kind of show you guys the cars and see everything. I don't think I'm going to win anything. My car, you guys have seen on the channel plenty. It's more of a worker than a shower, but still looks pretty good. And I figure it's a good time to show everything off. So let's see what it does. Let's go check everything out. back to our temporary home away from home. And yeah, it did not place, so it is what it is. Like I said, there was quite a bit of nice cars there, as you hopefully saw in the video. It was a good time though, it was worth it. So good cause, good time, good car show. Overall, I enjoyed it. That being said, I'm pretty happy with, it was good to get the car cleaned up, you know, top to bottom. Got all the plastic shined up, you know, nice deep wash, interior, exterior. So car looks great right now. Really happy with it, and it's just a good time. But all in all, couldn't really ask for more. So that being said, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. You got to see some cool cars there. There was some pretty sweet stuff. I think my favorite was probably the 69 Mustang. They had a GT40 there, it was really cool, and then a couple of unique ones. There was a guy I was talking to for a while with a big block built Camaro, which is pretty sweet. 69 or 67, you know, 67. He has some 68 parts in there, something like that. Really cool build though. But without further ado, I'll go ahead and talk to you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Before we cut it out, I almost forgot. So I'm considering doing the cutout option with this thing. I actually really like the stock exhaust and everything, so we shall see about that route. But once again, thanks for everything, guys, and I will see you in the next video. Take it easy.